In this video, we're going to run through several examples of both how to package a downed firefighter using the RIT Pack 3 and also how to manage the downed firefighter's air supply. It's important to remember that all of these methods are interchangeable. We want you guys to let the situation dictate your tactics. There are a number of ways to rescue a downed firefighter. In this example, we're going to be using the DRD and the higher pressure fitting on the back of the downed firefighter's SCBA. One person from the RIT team will manage the air supply and one person from the RIT team will work on packaging the downed firefighter. The priority goes to air supply. The first firefighter is going to work on getting the downed firefighter air via the high pressure fitting on the back of his back. The second firefighter is going to be working on locating and deploying the DRD. One thing to remember when you use the high pressure fitting is to allow enough time for both bottles to equalize. Once both bottles are equalized, you can then remove the high pressure hose from the downed firefighter's SCBA to improve mobility and to use it for other firefighters who may need to fill their bags. A key thing to remember is when you're removing the downed firefighter to bring the RIT pack with you in case you need more air. In this example, we're going to be using the RIT Pack 3 and the downed firefighter's low pressure quick connect fitting for the air management. We'll also be using the pack conversion for the packaging method. The first firefighter makes contact with the downed firefighter, identifies he needs more air, and starts working on the low pressure quick connect fitting. To disengage the quick connect fitting, he needs to push the connectors together and then pull down on the locking collar. Once the air is secured, the second firefighter can begin doing the pack conversion. Normally, the pack conversion can take place at the same time that the first firefighter is managing the air supply, but for the purpose of this training video, we're breaking down the skills. The firefighter doing the pack conversion is careful to loosen both waist straps all the way and maintains positive control of the buckle at all times. Once the buckle's around the downed firefighter's leg, the second firefighter secures the straps all the way. Before we secure the RIT Pack 3 to the downed firefighter, we need to make sure that the low pressure side is oriented toward the downed firefighter's face. Now the RIT Pack 3 is ready to be secured to the downed firefighter's SCBA harness. By putting the RIT Pack 3 between the downed firefighter's leg, it creates a slimmer profile for the drag. If there's excessive slack on the SCBA harness, be sure to cinch it down over your hand before the drag. The downed firefighter is now ready to be removed. In this example, we're going to be swapping the downed firefighter's regulator with the low pressure regulator on the RIT Pack. This assumes that there's damage to the downed firefighter's regulator or it's improperly working. We'll also be using the RIT Pack 3 as a sled. Because the RIT Pack 3 has a hard polymer bottom, it aids in reducing friction on drags, especially when working on surfaces such as shag carpet. The first firefighter will identify the problem. The second firefighter will be careful to orient the RIT Pack 3's low pressure side towards the downed firefighter's regulator. The firefighter managing the air supply is careful to make sure that everything is set up and oriented properly so it's a quick and efficient motion when swapping out the regulator. If the downed firefighter is not able to breathe or activate the demand breathing, the purge must be opened. At this point, the second firefighter and the first firefighter will prepare the firefighter onto the RIT Pack 3, careful to make sure his regulator clears the sled. Once he's laying in the prone position with his regulator clearing the sled, he's secured to the RIT Pack. and prepared for the drag. It's important to monitor the down firefighter's regulator while doing this drag.